I wanna show you guys how to slow down the video in Premiere Pro. Let's go!
Premiere Pro. To pull off this effect, find the part of the clip you want to slow the motion on, and then cut the clip by hitting Ctrl-K. Now go to Effects and find your Twixtor Pro effect and drag it on top of your clip. Starting from the beginning of the clip, create a keyframe for speed percentage by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Now move ahead one frame by hitting the right arrow key and create another keyframe by hitting this dot. Now move ahead one more frame and then change the value of speed to 2%. Go over to Effects Controls and change the value of Image Prep to Delinearize. Change the frame interp to Motion Weighted Blend and Warping to Inverse with Smart Blend. Now go down to Main BG Layer Settings and change the sensitivity to 100. Now you have a nice, super slow motion clip for your video. Anyway guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.